Ah, my bike.
Be careful with the light.
Yeah.
Like, we don't know how to do it.
Gail's going to see if she can stir some,
No,
something
I'm
else
just
in.
going to sit in colour then, that's all.
Yeah, we're back,
Just
guys.
watch- just watch
Keep
camera
having a
eight.
few
Just
technical
watch camera
areas.
8. But you've got to zoom in on camera 8 for data protection. Man, there's nobody else in here anyway, so don't matter. Watch camera 8. Hey, come on, Georgie.
Watch camera 8.
Can't really see it though, even if you push this.
Sit and talk.
No. I ain't turned it back on.
I am.
I ain't got
No,
fobs
You've
there.
got that EVP running going there,
Yeah,
haven't you?
EVP we've got us. There'll be some
Gonna have
mate.
her talking next 10 minutes.
Should we just wrap up with this?
Yeah, let's just wrap up.
Alright. Thanks for tuning in. It's been awesome. It's quite good here. We've had some good EVPs in there. There is something going off. I think there's a
What
lot.
the hell was that?
Yeah,
Into the room, yeah. I heard a noise.
I did. There.
That.
You don't like toilet door.
Just hold it there a minute. That noise? What?
Yeah. Unless you don't shut door properly, because I notice door swings if you don't shut door properly. Bet with door. Bet don't do it again.
What are you doing, Megan?
Shut door.
Well, those who are in here who are expecting George and he doesn't like,
Leave him alone.
leave him alone.
Just let him be. And you still haven't put that more down pocket. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. I'll put these on YouTube in the next few days.
Dave's got a nice lengthy EVP because they record a salon in the other room.
I'm glad you carried that on then.
So he's going to be going for about a good 45 minutes
Yeah.
listening.
I'll do it at work tomorrow. Just put headphones in and just play it. So thanks for tuning in. Pretty active here. It is really active. There's smoke going off. I think there's a lot of residual though, isn't there?
Mm.
More than not. But yeah, it's good. I might have to come back if she lets us at some point.
Mm.
Cheers for tuning in.
Cheers.
Just get
Thank
down,
you.
man.
Adios. I mean, bin still hasn't
See
been
you,
found.
bye. After you blinded me.
Yes, I know. Blind.